Hi, I'm Eva Murphy from Electronic Engineering at IT Sligo, and this is my Leaving Cert Maths Grinds channel. I'll regularly add new videos for both higher and ordinary level maths, so make sure you subscribe below and click the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Okay, so let's have a look at this algebraic fraction. Simplify, just move it off a bit. Simplify x squared minus x minus 2 over x squared minus 3x, and that's divided by x squared plus 5x plus 4 over x squared minus x minus 6. Now, anybody who knows me knows I make silly mistakes, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do in this one is take care of that minus sign, or that divide by sign, okay? And how do I do that? Well, when you're dividing fractions, and it doesn't matter whether it's numbered fractions or algebraic fractions, to divide them, you invert the second one, which means you turn it upside down, and then you change it to multiply. Okay, so when you would have divided fractions, even as far back as National School, this is what you would have been doing. So if you have a half, for example, divided by 2, so just think of a pizza if you were going to divide that by 2. Okay, how does the maths of that work out? Well, the half, you invert this one. So 2 over 1 becomes 1 over 2, and the divide by changes to multiply. So you get a quarter. So that is the technical bit behind how you divide fractions, okay? And it's the same in algebra. So that is why the second one here is inverted or turned upside down, and the divide by sign changes to a multiply. So that's the first step in any of these, okay? Then you have to start factorizing. It's the easiest way to do it, and what you do is you hope that some of the factorizing simplifies. So the first one I'm going to factorize is this one here, x squared minus x minus 2, okay? So it's a quadratic, so I'm going to use minus 2 as my guide number. There's no number in front of here, so it's a direct minus 2. The factors of minus 2 are minus 2 plus 1 or plus 2 minus 1. There are no other factors of minus 2. Okay, I always take the sign with it, and I always sort out the sign as I go along. So what I'm doing then is I'm seeing all those factors meet that condition of minus 2. All of them are factors minus 2, but which is the right one for this equation? Which is the one that gives me minus 1? So it'll be that one there. Okay, so I'm going to leave it in red for this piece. So you can see where I'm coming from, x and x, and then you literally fill in the numbers. So minus 2 and plus 1. Okay, so that's how we do it when there's no number in front of the x squared. Okay. I'll then change color, and I'm going to do this one here, x squared minus x minus 6. Okay, so in this one, I want the factors of minus 6. So I have minus 6 plus 1 plus 6 and minus 1. 3 2s are 6, minus 3 plus 2. Okay, and again, I'm looking at them and I'm seeing which one gives me that minus 1 that's in the middle. Minus 1, so I need the minus 3 to be bigger, so it's this one here. So again, bracket, 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 x and x, minus 3 plus 2. So what exactly am I doing when I do it? Well, do you see the x squared? I get the factors of that, which is x by x, and they go into the start of the bracket. The factors of minus 6 split to here and here, and then the correct ones come from the middle term. Okay, so that's that one done. Let's change color again. Let's go to purple, and let's do this one here. Okay, so this one is a little bit different in that it's not a quadratic. I could form a quadratic by writing x squared minus 3x plus 0, but there's no need. You can take out the highest common factor. So all of this is all the factorizing from Junior Cert. So the highest common factor across there, when I look, this is x by x, this is 3x. So the only thing that's common is a single x. So that's why it's on the outside. And then what's the other factor? What do I need to multiply by x to bring it back up to this? Well, x by x, x squared, x by minus 3, minus 3x. Okay, now and the last one then is this one. So again, let's change color. We'll go for a dark green. So down the bottom, oh yeah, is the plus 4. Okay, so factors of plus 4 is plus 1, plus 4 by plus 1, minus 4 by minus 1, plus 2 by minus 2. Okay, so just one thing to note on signs, if signs are different, if it's a minus, your signs will always be different. So it'll always be a minus by a plus to give you a minus, and that, it's always that. If your sign is a plus, then it's either plus by plus to give you a plus or minus by minus to give you a plus. Okay. So bracket, 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 bracket for this one, split the x squareds into x and x. Which one of the plus 4 lines, I didn't pick that, gives me the plus 5 in the middle? Plus 4, plus 1. So you always add the two factors to give you the term in the middle. Okay, so plus 4, plus 1. Okay, so that's all my factorizing done. And then I'm kind of seeing what cancels. And maths is what, or sorry, multiplication is what we call commutative. So in other words, it doesn't matter what order anything gets multiplied in. So by that, I mean I could cancel something in this bracket with this bracket because they're all multiplied by each other. That's perfectly okay. But I need one of the factors to be on the top and I need the other factor to be on the bottom. Why? Because terms like x plus 1 over x plus 1 simplifies to 1. Just in the same way as 10 over 10 is 1, 2 over 2 is 1. When a number, when a term over itself appears, you end up getting 1. Okay, so what cancels? Well, I have an x plus 1 there and an x plus 1 here. So I need one on the top, one on the bottom. I need an x minus 3 here and an x minus 3 here. Okay, now another thing to watch out for. I can't cancel that x with anything. You can't like cancel that x and that x there. You cannot cancel partial fractions. You can only cancel full factors, just like we did here when we cancelled full brackets. Okay, so to repeat, I can't cancel that x with that x. I can only cancel full factors or full brackets. Okay, so where does that leave me? Well, that leaves me with x minus 2 by x plus 2 on the top. And it leaves me with x times x plus 4 on the bottom. So you can see straight away, from just factorizing that, I've something much more manageable down here. So if you multiply the top out, okay, you have two ways of doing it. You can see that this is the difference of two squares, again from junior cert, x minus 2, x plus 2. Okay, so that will be x minus 4, x squared minus 4 squared, or x squared minus 4, that's what I'm going to get there. But I'll show you how to do that out the long way and then I'll multiply out the bottom. Okay, so the long way for the top of it. It's x by everything in the second bracket minus 2 by everything in the second bracket over x times x plus 4. Okay, or it's this by this, whichever way you know it. So I have x squared plus 2x minus 2x minus 4 over x squared plus 4x. The two in the middle cancel, so I get x squared minus 4 over x squared plus 4x. If you've enjoyed this video, then why not join us in IT Sligo and use maths in practice. In conjunction with industry, we've designed an exciting new program in electronics and self-driving technologies, which uses cutting-edge techniques such as artificial intelligence, computer vision, and virtual and augmented reality. You'll need a H5 in maths to qualify. Check out the link below.